Everyone see, yesterday, that is Saturday, we are going to discuss the 10th problem. At that time, it will be cut. So now I will start from the 10th, 11th, 12th completed. Next, I go through the points. Okay, na? So what is that 10th problem? Once again, I am writing. Here is given the 10th problem is, everyone see, uh, A set is given, that is the A set is given by all the real numbers, 3 no, 3 is cancelled, all the real numbers except 3. B the set, all the real numbers except 1. 1 is cancelled. Minus 1 means 1 is cancelled, except 1. Okay, na? Except 1. Next one is F is a mapping from A to B is given. So A is the domain, B is the codomain. A is the domain, B is the codomain. So next, defined by f of x is given. What is that? F of x is given by x minus 2 by x minus 3. X minus 2 by x minus 3. Just is f is 1 and on to justify your answer. Justify your answer. Okay. First, what I am going to do the problem is, first 1 I am going to check. 1 mean, so first write down the 1 definition. 1 is, what is the 1 definition is? For all x1, x2 are the two elements in the domain A, such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2 is the elements in the codomain. F means image. Image is the elements in the codomain. Images are equal. Their elements are equal. F is there means image. Y value. Y is the in the codomain. F of x is equal to y. Therefore, y elements are in the codomain. So therefore, f of x1 is the image, f of x2 is the image. Images are equal, elements are equal. First, I will take f of x1 is equal to f of x2. In definition of f, x replaced with x1, x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3. X replaced with x2, x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Apply the cross multiplication, cross multiplication. So x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. x2 minus 2. So x1, x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 minus 2 minus 3 the plus 6 is equal to x1, x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2 minus is the plus 6. Okay, na? Plus 6. Plus 6 should be cancelled on both sides. Plus 6 should be cancelled on both sides. X1, X2 should be cancelled on both sides. All terms bring on the left hand side. Minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 2x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 0. So x1 terms are simplification, minus x1. X2 terms are simplification. So plus x2 is equal to 0. X1 bring on the right hand side. X1 bring on the right hand side. Therefore, x1 is equal to x2. X1 is equal to x2. Images are equal. Elements are equal means one element have one image. One element have one image. Okay, na? Images are equal, elements are equal means one element have one image. Therefore, F is injective. Therefore, F is injective. Therefore, F is injective. One point is completed. Okay, na? Y is equal to F of X. So F of X is the image. Y is the element of codomain. Therefore, it is the image only. Therefore, image only. Okay. Therefore, so images are equal. Elements are equal means one element have one image. No question of repeated image. Next, onto. Everyone see onto is. Now I go through the onto. Everyone see onto. What is the onto is? Let y is the f of x. Means f of x is the always equal to y. F of x is the codomain element. F of x is the codomain element because of y is in the codomain. Y is equal to f of x means f of x also codomain element. Next, I go through the. Everyone observe. Right, everyone observe. Y is equal to f of x, that implies y is equal to f of x value, the x minus 2 by x minus 3 cross multiplication xy minus 3y, xy minus 3y is equal to x minus 2. X terms are one side, y terms are one side. X y minus x is equal to plus 3y minus 2. X terms are one side and the y terms are left side. So I will bring, okay na? So now take x is common. Y minus 1 is equal to 3y minus 2. X is equal to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. Okay, na? Any element we can be substitute y values. Y values are B set is the y values. Y values are except 1. Any value we can substitute. It is a real number. That is the x value. X is also real number. Never get 3 also. It should be remembered. Never get 3 value. Now I will take Easwari also came. Okay, Gayatri I will take. Okay, attendance I will write. Now see, y is equal to other than 1. Y is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 3 into 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. That is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 by 1. 4 is the value of x. 4 belongs to real number. Other than 3 is getting. Other than 3 is getting. No question of 3 never be get. 3, no question of 3 will be get. Therefore, every y value substitution, we are getting the x value. X value also belonging to the r minus of 3. Never get the 3. It should any value you can substitute. Never we get the 3 value also. Okay, na? Everyone remember exercise is going to completed. Next to 1.3 completed means I will put examination. Be careful. So everyone join and prepare well. Okay, na? Right. So therefore, F is injective. F is surjective. F is surjective. Therefore, F is both 1, 1 and onto. Therefore, F is bijective. F is bijective. Therefore, the answer is S. Is it true? I justify your answer. Our answer is F is both 1, 1 and onto. Therefore, F is bijective. Okay, na? F is bijective. Sir, how is onto? Very good. So once again, see abide. So y value, any value substitute, we get x value. Okay, now x is equal to 4. 4 belonging to the A sector, not a sector. 4 belonging the x value is the A set value. 4 belonging to the this sector, not this sector. 4 also real number other than 3. So not a, never get the 3. If we get the 3 means there is no 1 in the range. Sir, yes, 1 is not there. In the range, no 1. Already 1 is deleted. If it is 1 means undefined. So 1 is not there. Right. So there is no 1 in the range, sir. But range not equal to codomain. Why not? Range is not equal to, in this one, 1 is not there. In this one, 3 is not there. Take any values. You can take, so 0, 0, 1, 2, 4, okay, na? 5, up to infinity, -1, -2, -3, up to minus infinity. Any value we can substitute, we get the codomain values. Any value we can substitute, we get the codomain values. Compulsory we get, why not? Yes. So range is not equal, no, wrong. So see, any value we can substitute, 0, -1, -2, -3, minus infinity. 1 is not there. 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. Any value we can substitute to get the codomain elements. Any value we can substitute. So 1 is substitute, y value substitute, 0 substitute. So y value is a 0 substitute, 0 minus 2 by -1 plus 2, right? We are getting. Okay, na? -2 by +2 we are getting. Okay, na? Now we can substitute 3 substitute we can get. So 0 we can substitute, y value is the 0, automatically 2 is getting. 2 substitute, already 2 substitute, we are getting the 4. 2 substitute, we are getting the 4. 3 substitute, 9 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. 3 substitute. So 9 minus 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is the one of the value in between here. 7 by 2, one of the fraction. All values you can get. Negative also we can get. But 1 is not in there. No, it's a codomain set is not 1. Codomain set has no 1 means range is equal to codomain. Range means mapping elements only. Range means mapping elements. So we are comparing the both. No question of comparing the both. Don't comparing both. We are comparing the mapping elements only. Codomain elements, we are getting the same range is same codomain elements. You don't compare this one and this one. This is the separate, this is the separate. So range means only mapping elements. Okay, na? Codomain means only mapping elements of the codomain. Okay, na? Right. Everyone, see the 11th problem. Not equal to N of B. Yes, N of A is not equal to N of B. Never be. N of A we never tell. N of A may be equal, may not be equal. N of A less than or equal to N of B. Any one condition should be. Any one condition should be satisfied. Right. 11th problem. We can see 11th problem is. What is the 11th problem is? F is a mapping from R to R. We define f of x is equal to x power of 4. I say that it is not a 1, 1, it is not a onto. How I am saying it is not a 1, 1 and R2, tell me. It is not a 1, 1 and R2, tell me. -1, we get the +1 only. +1, we get the +1 only. Therefore, it is not a 1, 1. Therefore, it is not a 1, 1. So, x power of 4, even power, always getting positive values only. No question of getting negative value in the codomain. So, okay, na? One image had 2 pre-images. Very good. Immediately write down. So, not 1, 1. 1, 1 write down. So, this is the bit only. So, bit only. So, now we can substitute f of one value is equal to 1. So f of minus 1 value also 1. F of 1 is equal to 1. F of minus 1 also 1. F is not 1, 1. F is not 1, 1. So everyone see 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus infinity, and 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Okay, na? Right. Minus 1 also plus 1, plus 1 also plus 1. Two images have the one image. The one element have no one image, therefore it is not a 1, 1. It is also not a onto. Minus 2 also 4. Minus 2 also x power of 4, 16. Minus 2 also 16. Plus 2 also 16. Minus 2 also 16. Plus 2 also 16. We are getting positive range only. Now, codomain is the negative and positive, but we are getting the range is the positive values only. Therefore, it is not a onto. Right down. Onto. Codomain. All the real numbers minus infinity and 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. This is the codomain. But range is only positive values. 0 is getting, and 1 power of 4 is a 1. So 1, and we are getting the 1, and next we are getting the 16. Next we are getting the 81. These positive values only, no, not getting negative values. So codomain and range not equal. Therefore, it is not a onto. Codomain and range. Range is not equal. Range is getting positive values, but codomain is the positive and negative values. Therefore, not equal. F is not surjective. It is not a neither 1, 1. F is neither 1, 1, neither 1, 1, nor onto. Therefore, what option is the correct mean? Not onto. So therefore, fourth option is the correct one. Sorry. Right. Last 12th problem, everyone see. Twelfth problem, here answer is the D bit. 12th problem, see. F is a mapping from R to R. F of x is equal to 3x. It is a 1, 1, but not a surjective. Why, tell me? It is a 1, 1, but not a subjective. But not a subjective. I am seeing the problem immediately. I am telling. I am seeing the problem. I am telling immediately. It is a 1, 1, not a subjective, not a onto. What is the reason? Is here only we are getting the 3 multiplicative numbers, not getting 2 multiplicative numbers. It is getting only 3 multiplicative numbers only. Codomain and range is not equal. Therefore, it is not a onto function. Okay, na? It is a 1, 1. See, it is a 1, 1. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to minus infinity. 1, 2, 3, up to plus infinity. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to minus infinity. 1, 2, 3, up to plus infinity. 0 is a 0. One element have one image. 1 into 3 is the 3. One element have one image. 2 into 3 is the 6. 3 into 3 is the 9. 3 into 3 is the 9. So this is the 9. This is the 6. Okay, man? So one element have one image. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 2 is the minus 6. Minus 9. One element have one image. One element have one image. Therefore, it is a 1, 1. But 3 multiplicatives are getting. 3 multiplicatives are getting, but 2 multiplicatives are not getting. Codomain is not equal to range. Okay, na? So F is 1, 1. So F is 1, 1, but not on 2. But not on 2. But not on 2. So it is clear, everyone. One element have one image, but we are getting 3 multiplicative. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. We are getting minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. But mine plus 2, plus 4, plus 8. 2 multiplicatives are not getting. Therefore, codomain is not equal to range. Therefore, F is not a onto. Okay, na? F is not a onto. I will write simply answering. F is 1, 1, but not a onto. Is it clear now, everyone? Right. Next part, we are go through the next part. Everyone see. Equal of next part. Everyone see the next part of the. So next exercise. For doing the next exercise, what problems we are going to follow, what points we are going to discuss for the next exercise. Everyone observe. Next one is equal, right? First one, write down equal functions. First, equal functions. Equal functions. What is the equal functions mean? So it should follow the equal functions. Everyone see. Equal function mean it should follow this some condition. What is the condition of equal function is? So domains are equal, ranges are equal. Codomain, no, not we are discussing. Ranges are equal. So ranges are equal. Then we say that the two functions are equal functions. Once again. So I will tell two functions f of x and g of x. Two functions. What is the names of the functions here? Two functions f of x and g of x are said to be equal functions. Equal function. When we say that these are the equal function, domain of f of x, domain of f of x simply represent as a d of f is equal to domain of g of x. Domain of g of x simply represent of a d of z. Domain means first set of the f and first set of the g, both are equal, then it is the first condition is satisfied. Second condition is range only, not a codomain. Range of f of x simply represented by Rf is equal to range of g of x. Range of g of x simply represented by R of g. So range of f of x and the range of g of x both are equal. Then we say that the two and so third point is codomains also equal. F of x is equal to g of x. Codomains also equal. Codomains also equal. F of x is equal to g of x. Domains equal, range equal, and codomains also equal. F of x is equal to g of x. Codomains are equal. So codomains are equal. then only we say that the two functions are equal function. So once again, I'm reading. Domains are equal, ranges are equal, codomains are equal. Then only we say that the two functions are equal function. One function symbol is the f of x. Second function symbol is the g of x. The f of x domain, g of x domain equal, f of x codomain, g of x codomains are equal, f of x range, g of x range equal. Then only we say that the two functions are equal function. Otherwise, we can't say any one point is failed. We can't say that one. Okay, na? I will do some objective problems also in that one. See, how can you do this objective problem? See, everyone see. Objective question is one. Write down if f is a mapping from A to B and f of x is defined by x square plus 9 and g of x is a mapping from A to B. G of x is a mapping from A to B. G of x is defined by so 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7, where a is equal to 1 comma 2 and b codomain set is 10 comma 13, then f and g are equal or not? Then f, g are equal function or not? So equal function or not? They will ask this question. So sir, domain is equal, sir. Domain is equal, sir. Codomain equal, sir. Codomain equal, sir. What is the needed, sir? Range is needed. If we are get the range also correct one, then we say that it is a equal function. So domains are equal, A equal, codomains B equal, but range also equal. Then only we say that it is a equal function. Range are not equal, then we say that it is not a equal function. Okay, na? Check the range. First one, A set elements are. Here is the domain of f is equal to domain of g, that is the A. Codomain of f, codomain of f, codomain of g are equal, that is the B. Range only required. Range only required. I will substitute for ranges. I will substitute A elements in f of x. A is f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 9. Therefore, this is the 10. Second element, f of 2 square plus 9, that is equal to 13. So range is the 10 and the 13. F range of f is equal to 10 and 13. We are getting same codomain elements only. Now substitute in G of 1, that is equal to 3 into 1 plus 7, that is also 10. G of 2, that is equal to 3 into 2 plus 7, that is also 13. Range of G is equal to same 10, 13. Therefore, the range of F and the range of G both are equal. Last line of question not clear, sir. Read once again. Last question of the line is, this is the A set is where A is 1 comma 2, B is 10 comma 13. B is, now see, B is 10 comma 13. Now it is clear. Now it is clear, see. Now it is clear. Right, see. So here, domain, both domains are equal, both codomains are equal, range are equal or not equal. One f function, one have image is 10, two have image is 13. Therefore, range of f is 10, comma 13. G of 1, 10. 1 have in G function range is 10 and 2 have 13. Therefore, G range also 10, comma 13. Both ranges are equal. So range of f is equal to range of G. Therefore, they both are equal function. Therefore, f and G are equal functions. Equal functions. F and G are equal function. Next, one more point we can see. 1 minute is there. Second bit also see fast. Everyone see the second bit. What is the second bit? F of x is equal to, second bit, if f of x is equal to logarithm of 25, base is x square. In logarithm, base is not equal to 1, not equal to negative value, not equal to 0. Right. Here is and g of x is equal to, g of x is equal to log of 5 base x. Log of 5 base x. Okay, now log of 5 base x. Then f of x is equal to g of x, equal function. F of x and g of x are equal function. Equal function. Then interval of x is, then interval of x is, interval of x is, interval of x is. Everyone see, this problem is